Students, in this video I am going to discuss logarithmic test, De Morgan's and Bertrand test, and alternative to Bertrand's test, and then the procedure. So first is the logarithmic test. The series, so we are not discussing the proof. Proof is almost same. So the series, the positive term series, summation of un of positive terms such that limit n tending to infinite n log un by un plus 1 is equals to L, then this series converges if L is greater than 1, series diverges if L is less than 1, and test fails if L is equals to 1. Fine. So you can see that here we are using un upon un plus 1. So if ratio test fail, then and un by un plus 1 is of the form some some power n, then generally we apply logarithmic test. So just take the logarithmic of un by un plus 1 and then multiply by n. If this limit is L, then based on the value L either converges, diverges, or test fails. Fine. Now the De Morgan's and Bertrand test. Similarly, if you will see this part only, if you will see this part, this is nothing but the Rabi's test. So just subtract minus 1 and then multiply by log n. This will be the new test known as De Morgan and Bertrand test. So Rabi's test, this function from Rabi's test, minus 1 and multiply by log n. This is equal to L. Now if L is greater than 1, series converges. If L is less than 1, series diverges. Fine. Similarly, the logarithmic test, just subtract from minus 1 and then multiply by log n. We will have here. So this is the logarithmic test. Subtract minus 1 and then multiply by log n. This is equal to L. This is called the alternative to Bertrand test. Fine. Now if this limit L is greater than 1, series converges. If L is less than 1, series diverges. Fine. So this is the all about the sequences. Now this is the procedure. How to test. We have discussed about the limit and 7 tests. So how to apply this? So procedure. So procedure is that first find out the limit of n tending to infinite un is equal to L. So either limit is 0 or non-zero. If non-zero, series diverges. If this is 0, then series may or may not be convergent, because we are not able to classify whether the series is convergent or divergent here. However, here we are very much sure that series is not a divergent series. Fine. So now when 0, then we may apply either comparison test, if you are able to easily find out this value un by vn. If your un is of this form, un is raised to the power 1 by n, then apply Cauchy root test. If your un, you can easily find out un by un plus 1, then apply De Morgan D'Alembert ratio test. तो अगर आप un by vn निकाल सकते हैं easily, then you can apply comparison test. If your un is of this form, un is 1 by n, इसको easily evaluate कर सकते हैं, then apply root test. And if you can easily find out un by un plus 1, then apply D'Alembert ratio test. Fine. Now if this D'Alembert ratio test fails, then again we have 3 options: comparison test, Rabi's test, and logarithmic test. Comparison test, that means un by vn form. If Rabi's test means limit n tending to infinite n un by un plus 1 minus 1. If you can easily find out this, then apply Rabi's test. Logarithmic test, if your un by un plus 1 is of the form some power of n, then just apply n log un by un plus 1, logarithmic test. If Rabi's test fails, then apply De Morgan's and Bertrand test. That means just subtract minus 1 and multiply by log n. Then we get De Morgan's and Bertrand's test. If logarithmic test fails, then apply alternative to Bertrand's test. That means take this value, subtract minus 1 and then multiply by log n. Then we have alternative to Bertrand. So this is the procedure. Fine. Now we will discuss the examples. So here the examples. Examples on logarithmic test. So this is the series 1 plus 2x by factorial 2, 3 square x square by factorial 3 plus 4 cube x cube by factorial 4 and so on. So un is given by n raised to the power n minus 1, x raised to the power n minus 1 divided by factorial n. Un plus 1 is n plus 1 raised to the power n, x raised to the power n divided by n plus 1 factorial. Find out un by un plus 1. So after simplification, so this is the calculation. After simplification we get this 1 upon 1 plus 1 by n raised to the power n, 1 plus 1 by n into 1 by x. Find out the limit. So limit of this 1 plus 1 by n divided by 1 plus 1 by n raised to the power n into 1 by x. So this is nothing but 1. After taking limit, its value is 1. The value of this 1 plus 1 by n raised to the power n is nothing but e, and x is free from n. So ultimately this is ex. Ex in multiplication 1 by ex. Fine. Now if this ratio 1 by ex is greater than 1, then according to the test we are applying here ratio test. We are applying here ratio test. ध्यान रखना लॉगरिथमिक या कोई भी टेस्ट डायरेक्ट नहीं लगेगा, पहले रेशियो टेस्ट, कंपैरिजन टेस्ट यही लगेंगे. So start with ratio test. So if 1 by ex is greater than 1, then series converges. This is greater than 1 means x is less than 1 by e. If 1 by ex is less than 1, series diverges. That means x is greater than 1 by e. And test fails when 1 by ex is 1. That means x is equal to 1 by e. So now put x equal to 1 by e in un by un plus 1. So when you put it here, so you will get un upon un plus 1 is e into 1 plus 1 by n divided by 1 plus 1 by n raised to the power n. Fine. Now apply, because you can see that here is a power. Here is power. So that's why apply log test. Apply log test. So now limit n log un by un plus 1 is equals to limit n tending to infinite n log un upon un plus 1 is this for x equal to 1 by e. So e 1 plus 1 by n divided by 1 plus 1 by n raised to the power n, which is equal to limit n tending to infinite n. Now apply the logarithmic property. So this is log e plus log of this function minus log of this function, which is can be rewritten as n log 1 plus 1 by n. Fine. Now n 1 plus log e is 1 plus, now applies logarithmic series. So 1 upon n minus 1 upon 2n square plus 1 by 3n cube and so on, minus n, again apply logarithmic series, so we get this. Now assemble these two, so we get finally n into 1 by n, 1 plus 1 by 2 plus this minus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 3 into 1 by n square and so on. Multiply by n. So when you multiply n, so we get 1 plus 1 by 2. Fine. And this will be, n is cancelled out with n, so 1 by n is there. When you apply the limit, this will be 0. So we get 3 by 2, which is greater than 1. So according to the log test, this series converges. So that's why for x equal to 1 by e, series converges. So ultimately this series converges when x is less than equal to e and diverges if x is greater than 1 by e. Fine. Now the next example is De Morgan's test. So we have this series. So this is un, nth term. This is un plus 1th term. Take the ratio, so we get this. So now apply the limit, so we get 1 by x. Now by the ratio test, so here we have further we will started with ratio test. So ratio test, if this 1 by x is greater than 1, that means x is less than 1, series converges. If 1 by x is less than 1, series diverges. If x is 1 by x is equal to 1, that means x equal to 1, test fails. Fine. So test fail हो जाएगा. So now put x equal to 1 herein. Here put x equal to 1. So we get 1 plus 1 by n whole square, 1 plus 1 by 2n whole square. That means this part. That means this part or this part. So now apply the simple Rabi's test. क्योंकि यहाँ कोई रेज टू द पावर n नहीं है, सो हम सिंपल Rabi's टेस्ट लगाएंगे. सो n un upon un minus plus 1 minus 1. After simplification we get this 1 plus 3 by 4n divided by 1 plus 1 by 2n whole square. Take limit, this is 1. So again Rabies test fails. तो रेबीज टेस्ट भी फेल हो गया. तब हम लगाएंगे we shall now apply De Morgan's test. So just subtract -1 and then multiply by, so just this is rabies test result, just subtract -1 and multiply by log n. So this is from rabies test, -1 multiply by log n. After simplification we get this. Now apply the limit. So when you apply the limit, so here we get this. So limit apply किया तो इसकी जो वैल्यू आती है वो आएगी 1/4 and here this is, you can apply L hospital rule. So this is of the form infinite by infinite. So L hospital rule. So पहले इसको differentiate किया, so we get 1/n. इसको differentiate किया with respect to n, so we get 1. Apply the limit, so we get 0, which is less than 1. So according to the De Morgan's test, series diverges. Fine. So this is the conclusion. Series converges if x is less than 1 and diverges if x is greater than equals to 1. Fine. Now the next example, last example on alternative to Bertrand's test. So we have this series. Then un is the nth term, 1 into 3 into 5 into 2n minus 1, 2 into 4 into 6 into 2n raised to the power p. Similarly un plus 1 is this. Take the ratio, so we get this, and then find out the limit. So this limit is 1. That's why ratio test fails. Ratio test fails. So now apply the, and now you can see we are having un by un plus 1 in terms of some power. So that's why apply logarithmic test. So apply logarithmic test. So log un by un plus 1 is this. So we get log of 2n plus 2 upon 2n plus 1 raised to the power p. So just taking 2n common, so finally we get log 1 plus 1 by n upon 1 plus 1 by 2n raised to the power p. That means p log 1 plus 1 by n minus log of 1 plus 1 by 2n. Apply logarithmic series. So p is 1 by n minus 1 upon 2n square plus 1 by 3n square and so on. Minus, again apply, simplify this with the help of series. So 1 upon 2n minus 1 upon 2 into 2n square plus 1 by 3 into 2n cube and so on. So after simplification, 1 by n take one side, 1 by 2n square 1 by 2n square, so take this side and so on. तो पेयर वाइज हमने इसके पेयर बनाए. So we get this. Now multiply by n log un upon un plus 1 is p into 1 by 2 minus 3 by 8 n square. So taking the limit, so we get p by 2. So now if p by 2 is greater than 1, series converges. That means when p is greater than 2. If p by 2 is less than 1, that means p is less than 2, series diverges. And if p is equal to 2, test fails. So when p is equal to 2, so put p is equal to 2 here. So n log un upon un plus 1 is 2 into this. So we get 1 minus 3 by 4n plus 7. So 1 minus 3 by 4n plus 7 by 12n square. So now subtract by -1 and then multiply by log n. So we get this result. Again take the limit and apply L hospital rule. So we get finally 0 less than 1. That's why according to this alternative to Bertrand test, p series is divergent when p is equal to 2. So this is the final conclusion. Series converges when p is greater than 2 and diverges when p is less than equal to 2. So this is all about the test. Now in the next video we will discuss about the integral test. We will discuss about the convergence of the integral test. Fine, in the next video. Thank you.